Hello everybody, this is Morgan from Static, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to match an subject or object to a background in Adobe Photoshop. And by the way, if you want to learn how to crop an image in Adobe Photoshop, you can check out our website, which is static.com, and there are plenty of courses that you can learn how to use or how to be pro in Adobe Photoshop, Premiere, After Effects, and whatever, even in about Microsoft. Pretty much everything in computer. You can go ahead and learn more. Okay, let's get back to the business. First of all, you need to select your move tool, which is this one, and then drag and drop your image to your background, which is this one, like this, and then place it in the right place that you think it make it kind of real. I don't want it to be here, and it's kind of too big, and I need to resize it simply by pressing Ctrl and T in Windows or Command T in Mac, as you can see, and gently resize it. Yeah, I think this one is good. And then here, okay, and click here, and here to confirm it. And then, as you can see, it's not kind of matching, but we will match it by duplicate. You first of and then you need to duplicate your layer by by pressing Ctrl and J or Command J in Mac, and then place your copy one underneath the original one, and then remember you should lock your original one and unvisible it, and then we just do these things to our original because we need it to be like kind of, we don't want it to like be destroyed in process, so we need it to have like kind of extra. And then select your copy layer and right click in your mouse and go ahead, click on blending option to make shadow, because as you can see our glasses and the paper has kind of shadow, but our cup doesn't, so we need shadow for it. And then we should kind of play with it to make to understand the things better, like, and make it better, because every image is different from another. Okay, I think this is good, and the angle, well, yeah, the angle should be kind of more, yeah, and then the distance for it, yeah, I'm happy with that. And you should select black, which is the code is 0000, I mean 60, and hit OK. And remember, you should select multiply for your blending mode, and then yeah, pretty much it, and hit OK. As you can see, we have our shadow, and then we need it to match our background. So we should go to our adjusting to make an adjusting layer, which is the curve one. Go ahead and click on the curve one. As you can see, a little bit, a little bit bigger. Okay, and then be careful because it's kind of, this part is kind of tricky. First, you need to select the dark, the eyedropper, and select the darkest area that you can see in your background. Okay, there you go. And then the second one is for the gray area, which means the part that is between black and white. I guess this part is gray. Okay, and then the third eye dropper is for the brightest area, and I think the brightest area should, in our background, should be here. Yeah, and again, click on the first eyedropper, but this time we need to select the darkest area in our subject or object, the cup, and then the gray area in our cup, which I guess it would be kind of between here. Yeah, not too dark, not too bright. And then the third one for the brightest area, which is here. As you can see, it made kind of changes. You can check it from here, the previous one, and after the effect that we apply on it. And go ahead on layer, make another editing object, adjustment layer, and go ahead and click on color lookup and select kind of one of, you should play with them to get better understanding what they are and which one of them is better for your image and the looking of your image. For this one, like this, yeah, but it's kind of too heavy, too bright, but I'm gonna make it bright simply by reducing its opacity. Okay, reduce its opacity. I think 80 would be better, but it's still kind of heavy. How about 60? Yeah, it's still heavy. And you should change the blending mode to maybe, you should see, you can see the changes, right? And pick the best one. Color light, overlay, no. Soft light, no. Hard light, no. Okay, how about hue? No, it's too dark. It's too bright, How about this? It's too bright. Lighter color. I'm gonna pick this one. Let's see. It's quite nice too. Okay. Go ahead and select the multiple, and you should change the fill to kind of maybe 70, I guess, or yeah, 70 or 60 for this image, this particular image. Okay, but it's kind of too bright. We should change the here. Play with it until it kind of match. Okay, I think yeah. And then 6, no, kind of 40. How about that? Yeah, it's right. What I'm gonna do is simply uh, click. Remember, you should click on the. Your adjustment layer, because you can see it's too bright. We don't need that. It's kind of unreal. So we should change it and click on. I mean, you should right click on it, the adjustment layer, which is lookup, and go ahead for blending. No, sorry, editing, edit adjustment. Go ahead and change the adjustment. Pick the little darker because it's too bright for me. No. Okay. It might kind of take a while, but it's fine. Yeah, kind of. How about this? As I said, you should play with them to kind of find which one of them is best for your pictures. Okay. How blue? No. How about moonlight? No. Software? No. I think I got some, which was talking or something. Was amber color. One of them was which one? Okay, winter. Okay. What? Should still bright. Come on. Should be 49. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, it pretty much, as you can see, it pretty much, no, I'm pretty much done with it, and sorry, I'm actually done with it, and as you can see, it blend and in the, our cup match perfectly to our background. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial and learn something from it.